Hey there YouTube, it's been a while, but today we're going to get back with an unboxing just for you. This is from Note. If you've read the title, these are a very, very special blazer. Let's get to the unboxing, SJ. We're going to speed up probably about now. Wow, this box is battered. First thing I'm going to do, so obviously a Nike SB, special box here. They were $74.95. You see that? $74.95. Whoop, whoop, whoop. There's actually something unusual about these. First things first, I did go up half a size with these blazers. There's something special on the box here because of who the collaboration is with. It's with Elissa Steamer. It's her GNARLhunters. So they are a men's and a women's blazer. And so with that in mind, we're just going to read what it says in the box. They're a Nike SB Zoom Blazer Mid Quick Strike. They are code AH6158001. But SJ, we've also got, so they're a men's 12 US size, that makes them a UK 11. But in women's sizes, particularly for the US, I think, they are a 13.5 or a UK 11. So like US women's sizes are just weird in comparison to US men's sizes. And yet the UK size is the same because we're sensible and we have the same sizes. And nobody cares about what I'm talking about. Everyone wants to see the shoe. So first of all, ooh, woodcut paper. These have got a ton of detail on them, I can tell you already. They are super nice. I will tell you everyone that SJ, who's behind the camera over there, she loves a black SB blazer. I think she's kind of wishing now that she's seen these, that she'd pick these up. But let's have a look at them. So first of all, as always with an SB blazer, it's laced within an inch of its life. So we're going to just loosen these just a tad there. And let's get the paper out because there's probably all kind of weird things. So the first thing is, I'm going to show you the heel here. So we've got really nice suede, really tough looking suede, but it uses sort of the, I suppose the topography, I can't speak, the typography. I don't know what the word is, but it uses the GNARLhunters typography instead of the usual Nike text. So Nike, again, not being afraid at all to mess with their logo if it works with the collab. We're going to go in here, and these feel really nice, everyone. Really, really nice. I'm just going to loosen them off because there's all kinds of things going on. So the first thing, SJ, I just want you to have a look at the tongue, and you can see there, tapping away, because it'll be out of focus, girl. It's been a while since we've done one of these, so like the lighting's a bit weird. I've probably got too much light in here. SJ's trying to work out the camera. I don't know what you're doing over there on the EOS Rebel 60i. I know, yeah it is. And but we've got a brand new camera here. It's an M50, and I've got to say, it's looking amazing. Anyway, nobody cares about that. So let's have a look. We've got really nice, rough, tough suede. No, it's not suede, it's leather. Oh, now I'm confused. So let's have a look here first. So we've got, I think it's like an untreated leather. It's a little bit like the leather that was on the deconstructed Dunks. I got the black deconstructed Dunks last year. It's a little bit like that. It's not thinned out, so you've still got all the padding on the inside. It just feels like that, SJ. The swoosh is awesome. I don't know if that's been picked up on the camera. It's not really, right, okay. Over there on camera too. I don't know if you can see, but this is beautiful. It's got some sort of geometry. It's a hay fever on the right hand side here, or is that the left hand side? It's got the GNARHunters G just embossed, embossed all the way through the swoosh. Now that's probably not coming up on this little old camera here, but trust me it is. Tap away, girl, tap away. That might be a bit close. Oh, there we go everyone. The material on the toe box, it's a different black, which makes it feels more like suede, SJ. It feels more like suede here. And I don't know if we put this in the light, it's a different color black as we come through and we spin round. There's one more detail I want to show you. Gum sole, amazing, but look at the logo there. It is absolutely stupendous. Right, I'm going to put that there. Look at that bad boy. Hopefully you're in focus. I think you are. It is so good. Look at that. Look, don't focus on me, focus on that. It is amazing. And we'll just do one for you. Yeah, it's so good. These are amazing blazers. It's weird that they come out in the summer. Because actually, if we go on the inside, ooh, the inside of them as well. Right, so in here, it's kind of like a, I don't know what that material is. It's super soft. It's super soft is all I'm going to say in here. And again, let me flip it that way. Closer. I've got hand directions going on behind the camera here, and I'm like, that way, that way. There we go. Look in there. This material is really nice in there, and you've got the Gnarhunters logo on the insole, which I'm not going to pull out. It actually says Gnar there. I want to say it's like gnarly. These are gnarly blazers. I am super stoked with these. Right, we haven't looked at the alternate laces. We're just going to have a look. Oh, I've got to show you these, SJ. So we're going to have to go through that whole exercise again. So the spare lace is a white flat lace, but we're going to have to go through the exercise that we've just been through. Right, so this is obviously the collaboration Elissa Steamer's with their Elissa Steamer's Gnarhunters. She says that she, and I think it's Nike SB's first collab, actually with a surf brand, I think. Right, let's get in here. Gnar, as in gnarly. Hunters. Hand directions. This way, that way.
That way.
That way.
No, like
okay,
that.
there you go.
Kind of. Yeah.
Rah, boom, boom. Oh, it feels like, I don't know if you've ever stopped skating before or stopped riding a board, any kind of board. You know when you first get back on it, you kind of feel like, and you've been off for a while, like years, it kind of feels familiar, but kind of feels weird. Filming this video right now is just like that. It's totally just like that. Because we haven't done one for so long. It's like a month since we've filmed. A month. Like we've streamed, but like there's nothing like this. So SJ, oh my word. This is fluff all over the place. What do you think? Thoughts?
Big fan of these.
Yeah, big fan.
I'm tempted for full.
I think you should get these for full. These remind me of your first SBs so much. They are such a good shoe, everyone. Like, let's bring it close to the camera and see if that camera has done the job. You, on the other hand, on camera too, look, stunning shoe. Right, I'm just going to put them here, SJ, so we can show the world. Tap and hold. Vroom. And of course, I forgot to remind everyone who it was. I missed a B. You kind of figured that out by now. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, it's somewhere down there. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, all of that malarkey. And of course, don't forget to join us for Sneaker Streaming Sundays every Sunday. We are back on the streaming every Sunday, 8 PM UK time. That is about 12 PM on the West Coast. And that's about 3 PM on the East Coast. And if you're in Asia, Hong Kong, Sydney, somewhere, Tokyo, it's about between 3 and 5 AM on a Monday morning. Sorry, like the world's just this weird place. I can't kind of spin it to make all the times line up, so it's Monday morning. Anyway, everyone, I should probably go, SJ. Should I go?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going. We're done. All right, we're out of here. Honestly, oh, it's a good shoe. It's a good shoe, everyone. It's a very strong shoe. Smells good. Yeah. Oh man, these are so epic. This is such a great fall shoe. And the materials on this, like just have a look back there.
Yeah, I might need to hunt these down.
Like that, like these will take a spray. They'll definitely take a spray of what do we use? Crep Protect. This is what I mean. I'm so out of practice. I can't do it. Right, genuinely, people, genuinely, we're out of here. So I just want to say au revoir. Honestly. Go on. Let's turn the microphone off.